Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today, I just wanted to give you a follow-up update nung ating mga succulents after the typhoon. So until now, yung weather natin dito sa Baguio is not really that nice. Talagang almost everyday pa din yung ulan, and if kung umaraw man, sobrang bilis lang talaga. But overall, okay naman yung ating mga succulents, and I would say na parang 98% ng ating mga succulents here are completely fine. So may mga ilang succulents lang na medyo na overwater, and yung iba nga sa kanila is nagkaroon na nga ng crown rot, and so I will show you kung ano ba usually yung ginagawa ko if nagkaroon na nga ng crown rot or if na overwater yung iba nating mga succulents. So for example, dito nga sa ating succulent arrangement na ito, yung ating Graptoveria marpin lang yung na overwater, and all we need to do is simply remove yung mga na-overwatered na leaves. We also have here yung ating Lawi propagation. So, isa ito sa mga sobrang mahirap na i-propagate na mga succulents based on my experience. And I really hope na makarecover itong leaf-propagated Lawi na ito. I also have here yung ating Graptoveria Swan. Isa siya sa mga favorite kong succulent. And ayan, nakakalungkot na may nakikita tayong mga black leaves sa pinakailalim, and that really would indicate na na-overwater nga siya. So kumbaga nasa stage na siya of parang nabubulok na siya, kaya naging black na yung kanyang leaf color, although the main plant is very healthy pa naman. Kaya all I need to do is simply remove itong mga dried or itong mga na-overwatered leaves sa pinakailalim. And also pala, napansin ko na itong ating Graptoveria Swan, nagkakaroon na nga siya ng mga fungus sa kanyang pinaka-leaves, and I have to treat that right away. So hinihintay ko lang na mag-completely dry na nga yung kanyang leaves before we can apply yung ating systemic fungicide. So yan yung gagawin natin probably in the next coming weeks to come pag gumanda na talaga yung weather dito sa Baguio. And ito rin pala yung ating Crispate Beauty na hindi pa talaga siya ganun ka-stable, although lumaki na siya. Unfortunately, nababad nga siya nung ulan during the typhoon, and ito na nga as a result, nag-start na ngang mabulok yung iba niyang mga leaves, and I'm really hoping na talagang makarecover ito kasi it's one of my, kumbaga, my one and only Crispate Beauty. Tapos this one is napanalunan pa natin considering na pricey din itong succulent na ito, kaya I cannot really afford na basta-basta na lang siyang mamatay. And so what I'm gonna be doing is again try to remove gently yung mga nag-overwater na leaves. Ayan, so usually yung iba pag na-overwater yung mga succulents nila, talagang ina-uproot nila, ini-air dry nila agad. Pero for me, I don't usually do that. So as much as possible, ano lang siya, parang tinatanggal ko lang siya sa area kung saan siya mababasa. Then I will just let the soil naturally dry, and eventually let the succulent recover on its own. So mukha namang healthy pa yung kanyang pinaka main rosette. And siguro we just need to give it time para maka-fully recover itong ating Crispate Beauty. Ayan. So, aside from this succulent, meron pa akong succulent na talagang na overwater. I'm not sure of the idea of this. Nakalimutan ko na, pero ayan. Almost parang 90% of its leaves ay talagang hindi na natin ma-save. So if you have the patience, talagang hihintayin natin siyang maka-recover. Pero yung iba, pag ganito na yung situation ng kanilang mga succulents, they just simply throw it away. Diba? So, depende na lang yan sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin sa inyong mga overwatered succulents. I also have here yung ating Longissima. Sobrang tagal ko itong inalagaan, in just a few days, ayan, nasira na. So, yung half of it na talagang exposed sa ulan, na overwater na yung mga leaves niya, and the remaining half is parang medyo okay pa naman. Pero grabe, sobrang bagal lumaki nitong succulent na ito, and I thought pwede ko na siyang i-feature sana sa ating succulent care guide, pero ganito nga yung nangyari, kaya parang back to zero na naman tayo. We just need to wait na makarecover siya, yung other half possibly makarecover. And I think yan na lang muna yung pinaka-update natin for today. So okay naman lahat na aking mga succulents. I'm just really waiting na umaraw na kahit papano so I can start making yung ating succulent care guides. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.